Happy Trading Monday. It is finally January and we are finally moving into the parabolic phase of the market. Or are we? So let's discuss this, and also I have some expectations when it comes to the trades that I'm currently holding. And you need to be exceptionally careful right now, because right now we're standing at this critical point that tipping into the other side of the spectrum will lead to either big gains or huge losses. So let me show you everything in due time so you understand the concept here, you understand my vision here, and also I'm going to share an interesting coin that I found that is very, very tiny and is actually gaining a lot of momentum, and probably a lot of people are going to start talking about it very soon. So that's something that I'm DJing into. I'm sometimes giving you those gems that sometimes do exceptionally well, sometimes average. So therefore, without any further ado, let's just jump straight into this. And as you can see, Bitcoin is back at $100,000. Okay, 99, it actually touched 100,000. And right now we're actually correcting a little bit because we're touching this very important resistance. However, the volume is quite low, which is not great. So we could see some kind of volatility in the short-term perspective. But let me give you all the details bit by bit and step by step. So when it comes to my trades, actually all of the trades are in profit now. Look, SPX has done fantastically well. And congratulations to you guys. SPX, it's also one of those, SPX was bigger market cap than the coin I'm about to show you. Also that I found a little hidden gem, but look at the performance, incredible. And we have 1,200% on this trade. So Ethereum is also performing okay. Solana is doing something. WorldCoin is kind of standing the same place, so fine. And we kind of have doubled our trading deposit. This was part of my 1 million to 10 million challenge. We got to just 2 million in 1 year on this particular account. But I'm pretty sure that the next few months will be a little bit of a game changer for this portfolio. But again, everything in due time. What we care about the most currently is the Bitcoin dominance. And I'm gonna get back to it in just a second, because it's gonna actually dictate exactly what we need to see. And I told you that this date right here was quite important, and not all the dates end up being important, but this one has been quite important and it actually played out correctly. But we'll get to it. And certainly, guys, you can see that I'm personally trading over on Bybit, and shield is a shield, but you can actually get some benefit out of this, and you can get up to, if you use my link to Bybit down in the description of this video, you can claim up to 42% discount on trading fees, which is insane. You can save yourself thousands of dollars, and also you can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses that goes into your futures trading basically, and you can use it for real trading and then withdraw the profit. So real money for real trading for your benefit. So, and if you lose money, you lose first the bonus, not the real money in your account. So if you already have a Bybit account, and create a new one using a different form of identification for your KYC, using for example, a driver's license, using my link down in the description of this video, and claim all these bonuses in the reward center and certainly the trading discount. So moving on, what we care about now. Let me show you first the token that I found that I think is pretty cool. I'm gonna explain in short why I think it's pretty cool. So the coin is, the ticker is MLC, My Lovely Planet. And right now, actually, it is being traded only on MEX. So that's a good thing that it's not listed on Binance yet, even though they're planning big Texas centralized exchanges. For now, it's only on basically one exchange. And right now, the price action looks quite interesting. So we formed this resistance. It sits like a wedge, basically. And very interesting areas between 50 cents and 78 cents. So this area is quite interesting. And for me personally, my target for this coin is gonna be probably roughly around $2 at least for the next few months. So if you don't know what My Lovely Planet is, it's basically a mobile gaming studio, and you can go to their website, you can check them out. They do quite a lot of interesting things, and they're supported by interesting big names actually. And you can actually check out this video here, because you know that I'm a gamer, I'm into gamify, so this is a game. So it's the gamify sector of the crypto industry. So, but what is, just in short, because I don't want to spend too much time on this, It's like a Candy Crush. So it's, if you know what Candy Crush is, then you know what My Lovely Planet is. And right now, they're actually gaining a lot of traction. Look at on Instagram, almost 1 million followers. On X, 300,000, and a lot of KOLs are starting to talk about it. And when I was doing my research before putting my money into it, because full disclosure, I do hold it, a tiny bit of it for relative to my portfolio. Throughout my research, what I found out is that their token will be launched as an in-game token, so their intrinsic utility is the in-game token, and they're going to be launching play to earn, which in a bull run can do exceptionally well. In bull run, many things do well, something you would not expect to do well. So, and this here, they have a very good team, and they're planning new centralized exchange listings that usually pump the price, especially considering what I'm going to mention just in a general scope of things when it comes to the market right now, which I'm going to get to in a second. And also they have a lot of KOLs, a lot of marketing. They also have big announcements coming. That's something I found some rumors of, but I don't want to say it. But if it happens, the $2 target will probably happen quite fast. Again, not financial advice. It could dump, it could pump. This is just my expectation. And the previous tokens I've given you, a lot of them have done exceptionally well in a short-term perspective. So, and also they can only have like 300,000 active players, and they're planning to get to at least 1 million. And what makes me so interested in it is that its market cap is 26 million. So for it theoretically to even do 10x, if they do fantastically well in the next few months in the altcoin season, it's actually possible. Again, not financial advice, just what I'm personally looking at currently. And now getting back to the market itself. The market itself is, this is what we care about. So if we look at Bitcoin dominance, this is what I was just talking to you guys about. We have been speaking about it for quite a long time. We had this very important support. We finally broke below it. And then kind of pushed above, which was a bit scary, and then we pushed down below yet again. So, and this is what it looks like if you zoom out. And this is the place where we are standing at right now. And hopefully a lot of volume is starting to come in here, just like here, before the massive crash of the Bitcoin dominance, which is what is posted here by Crypto Rover as well. So this is the expectation right now. And if we are going into the old season, that's why my trades here, I'm gonna be keeping them for the time being. And certainly, by the way, also a very important point, that if we are going into the, and especially right now is Monday, and remember I told you about the dates that going into the first week of January is gonna be the most important. So I really want to see what's gonna happen today, tomorrow, after tomorrow, and this week. If we don't pump this week, I'll have to reconsider something. Maybe we'll have to add some stop losses, and our trading club actually has already placed some stop losses into zero loss. And actually this whole dump we managed perfectly. And if you guys are still not inside of our trading club, then I'm gonna leave a link down in the description of this video. You can actually join it. It's an amazing, fantastic, exclusive community where even copy trading is available. So with one click, you can copy everything we do. And people right now are copying us with a lot of money, and they just don't care. They just drink a margarita and enjoy the bull run. So join us and save yourself a lot of trouble, and you'll probably save yourself some money too, because if you're gonna be trading yourself, you're gonna lose a lot, especially if you have no experience or you think you do. So considering this, and finally we're breaking this support, and it kind of confirmed, I really want to see us break down below 55, 56%. So this white resistance, it kind of could turn into support here. So this considered, this week is incredibly important. And if we pump on this old season narrative, which should come, it always, like Ethereum, for example, the biggest altcoin season narratives for ETH always comes January, February, March. That's about it. So this is what we really want to see start happening right now. And then something like My Lovely Planet could do exceptionally well. Again, not financial advice, just what I'm personally seeing. So guys, join Crawler Trading Club, join Bybit, get all the bonuses and all the links to everything always down in the description of this video. And as always, peace and love. Thomas Quello. Stay smart, stay exceptionally rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.